Hope you are keeping fine. Now I am going to handle 7th class first unit of the first lesson, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. In the first unit we can see three parts, that is A, reading, that is the town mouse and the country mouse. B, poem, the town child and the country child. And C, the new blue dress, that is extensive reading. In this unit we learn the experience of village and the town. Most of the time town people wants to spend their holidays in village sites, and in same way village people desire to go to town. And also here we learn to keep our surroundings clean and healthy. Now let us see the first lesson of the first unit, the town mouse and the country mouse. In this lesson we learn to write letter and to know how people are living in the town, and is it town people can live in the villages, and to know how people are living in the villages, and is it village people can live in towns. In this picture we can see that town and the village. Now here we have to find the differences, what is town and what is village. So there are some questions here and we need to look at the picture and we need to answer it. So now let us go in detail the town mouse and the country mouse lesson. Now let us learn briefly to write letters. So there are two types of letters, that is formal letter and informal letter. Formal letters are written for the government applications or official sake, like your class teacher or headmasters or anybody. If you want a job or anything, you need to write formal letters. Formal letter writing way is different than the informal letter. Informal letters are none other than the personal letters. So these informal letters are written for your own people, like your friends or your parents or your siblings or relatives, anybody, for the personal letters. So now let us learn how to write the personal letters, that is informal letter. First you need to write date when you are writing the letter, that date and the place. Place is from where you are writing. The person who is writing, that place you need to write. If the letter reaches late, that time what happens? The person will come to know the date and from where you have written. Now let us see that detail. My dear friend, or if you are writing your mom or dad or your siblings or anybody, you need to mention their name or the pet name which you are calling. My dear friend or my dear mom or my dear aunt. So here if you, since we are written for friend, my dear friend, his or her name. Then how are you? I am keeping fine and doing well in my studies and activities. Then you have to write the purpose. For what purpose you are writing this letter? Purpose is if you are inviting your friend for your birthday party or for your sister's marriage, the purpose you need to write. And at the end of the letter you have to mention it, convey my regards all your family members. That means you are sending your wishes to all his or her family members. And at the end or the corner of this side, you have to write your loving and your name. Who is writing, their name need to write. And here we need to write on the cover, on the envelope, outside you have to write the address to whom you are writing. The full address need to write detail, and it should know all the people to read. So it should be clearly, it should write the address. Okay, now let us see lesson. The town mouse and the country mouse were cousins. They often wrote to each other One day, the country mouse got this letter from his cousin. Kitchen cupboard, Mouse Town, 11th March 2012. Dear cousin, I have been ill with a cough and my doctor feels I need a holiday. He asked me to spend a week in the countryside. May I stay with you? Please give me an early reply. With warm regards, your affectionately town mouse to country mouse, the mouse hole, mouse country. The town mouse and the country mouse were the cousins. Cousins means your maternal or fraternal uncles or aunts' children are cousins. So these both often wrote to each other letters. One day, country mouse got a letter saying that his cousin town mouse got cough due to pollution and his doctor advised him to spend some days in a countryside. Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bags and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. I wish there was an air conditioner coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. However, there was nothing he could do about it, so he grumbled to himself while the train chalked slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. As soon as the village mouse got the letter, he replied to come. Receiving invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed his bag and caught a train and started its journey. The town mouse was always staying in the AC room and he felt hot in the train and uncomfort. He grumbled to himself as the train stopped. He saw his cousin who was waiting at the station. Oh cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look around for some coconut water if you like. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? I am afraid not, replied his cousin. But I found a very nice piece of root today and a tender bit of sugar cane. I am sure you will enjoy that. Root? Sugar cane? The town mouse exclaimed. But I don't eat raw food like that. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country. So I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it is not bad. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root and the sugar cane and then sighed he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, there you are, you can sleep there. The town mouse accepts to drink and eat which is available in the town. But the country mouse don't have things which he need. Only the village side what is available like coconut water, sugar cane, some roots which farmers are growing. However, town mouse did not eat properly, just nibbled. Nibbled means some bites or ate little. After food, country mouse showed him a corner hole to. On the ground, asked the town mouse. Do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country, his cousin answered. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. Why it is so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? This is how it is the country, his cousin replied. It's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in the district. Oh, is it? The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm to search for food. We are sure to find something there, he said, a nice piece of fruit or a tender bit of sugar cane. But the town mouse had enough. Thank you, cousin, he said, but I think I'll catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. Again, town mouse could not adjust the hard ground to sleep. Even the silence of the village and missing of lights. So it thought of going back and returned back to its place. A few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse, here is the letter. Mouse Hole, Mouse Country, 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I'm worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, Country Mouse. 2. Town Mouse, Kitchen Cupboard, Mouse, Town. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is the telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. Few days later, the country mouse wanted to visit his cousin since his cousin was sick, and he wrote a letter to the town mouse. The town mouse received and sent a telegram. Telegram means urgent message sent with limited words, only few words. A few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Why are these lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here are the lights even in the middle of the day. And what is the dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. That is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars, and aeroplanes. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made by my headache, he said. Could I have some water to drink? Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold, lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. I have plenty of food, cousin, said the town mouse proudly. After a few days, the country mouse arrived in the town. It was a surprise for country mouse, the noise and the lights even at midnight. Due to noise, he got headache and asked some water to drink. Here, town mouse explains the drinks which are available in the towns and the plenty of food. You can eat as much as you like. Sure enough, the house of the town mouse at the back of the kitchen cupboard was full of most delicious food. There was bread and jam, different kinds of fruits, slabs of chocolate, and huge piece of lovely cheese. Eat, cousin, eat, said the town mouse. But just then there was a sound like a thunder, and the town mouse shouted, Run, cousin, run, run. The town mouse pushed the country mouse out through a hole in the back of the cupboard. The country mouse felt his heart beating very fast. But what is it? He asked. Shh, whispered the town mouse. Wait. Both the cousins came to back of the kitchen cupboard. It was full of most delicious food, and the town mouse asked the country mouse to eat. As they about to eat, there came sound like a thunder, means there was some noise. Town mouse shouted, Run, cousin, run, run. The town mouse pushed country mouse through a hole. Country mouse got scared, did not understand understand what it is. When everything was silent again, the town mouse crept out of the hole. He was quite cheerful again. Come out now, cousin, he said. That was only somebody opening the cupboard door. We are safe now. But they were not safe for a long twice more. They had to run for safety when somebody opened the cupboard door. The country mouse got quite tired of running and hiding. I want to go back to the country, he said. We may not get much food there, but at least we can eat in peace. So the next day, the country mouse went back to his house in the country, and the town mouse stayed in his cupboard in the town. And as far as I know, they did not visit each other again. When everything was quiet again, the town mouse came out from hole and saw and called his cousin and said that was somebody opened cupboard door. Now we are safe. Second time again, same sound came. Again both ran for their life. The country mouse got tired of running and decided to go back to country. We may not get much food there, but we can eat peacefully. And country mouse went back to the country, and town mouse stayed back to kitchen cupboard in the town. In this lesson, we understood that if we are placed anywhere, if we go to town or villages or in any situation, we need to adjust ourselves. And also, I hope you have understood the detail or the meaning of the lessons. Now students, I request you go through once again the lesson and write in your own words summary of this lesson. Thank you.